In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a belt tensioner on your Dodge Durango. This is going to be located on the front of the motor. Let's get started. Lift straight up on the engine cover and remove it. Using an 8mm socket, we're going to loosen the clamps for the intake. We have one bolt. Go ahead and remove that. Pull the intake off of the air box and then straight off. We have one connector right here. There's a button on top we have to push and pull straight back and remove it. There's your button. Remove the intake. Push up on the metal tab and push straight back. And now we can lift our coolant hose up and out of the way so we can get down at our belt. Looking down into the engine bay, we're going to get on our tensioner here using a 3/8 drive. Pull the tension off of the belt, and we're going to remove the belt off of a pulley. Let the tension off of the tensioner, and remove your ratchet. Get the belt out of the way. Using a 16mm wrench, we're going to remove the bolt for the tensioner. Remove the bolt for the tensioner. And remove the tensioner. We have a hole right here, and that's going to be a locator hole. You're going to have a pin on the back of your tensioner right there. It's going to line up with that. Have your bolt installed before installing the tensioner. Then get it down into place. Get the tensioner lined up and get the bolt started by hand. Snug the bolt down. Torque the tensioner bolt to 37 foot-pounds. If you can't get a torque wrench on it, do the best you can. I'm going to push my belt down under the crank pulley. Get it hooked onto there. Follow the belt diagram on screen and install your belt onto the correct pulleys. I'm going to get my belt installed around all of my pulleys, except for this top idler. This is going to be the last pulley we put the belt on. Get your ratchet installed onto that tensioner. I'm going to grab the belt, and as I pull the tension off of this pulley, I'm going to install that belt over the idler, just like that. Take a look down, make sure that belt is sitting correctly on all of your pulleys, sitting flat on the ones where it should sit flat, and being sure it's sitting in the right grooves. Once you know your belt is installed properly, remove your ratchet from the tensioner. Install the coolant hose clip back to the assembly. Make sure it latches on, push back, make sure it's locked in there. Install the intake. Get it started on the air box first, and then the throttle body. Install the connector. Push until you hear a click. If you don't, give it a pull, make sure it's locked on. Install the bolt for the intake assembly. Snug the bolt down. Snug the clamps down. Do the same thing on the outside. Install the engine cover into place. Push it down and it'll drop into its grommets and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.